So this is a brief demo of how to deploy a duck and access it through a consumer electronics device. So for this demo, we've got one Ducklink device right here, though you could have many. And we have a consumer electronics device, in this case an iPhone, but could be really any smartphone, or it could be a laptop computer. And what I'm going to show you is how to turn on a Ducklink and then access the Wi-Fi network that's generated on the consumer electronics device. So the first thing is to open the Ducklink and toggle this on switch right here. That's how we power on, and we know we're on when we see the Mama Online status. So we can close that up, and this duck is now ready to transmit to any other duck it can see on the network. So if you have a full cluster duck, or if you just have one duck, these are ready to talk to each other. Now when it's on, it's generating a Wi-Fi network that we can access on our device. So if we open our settings tab here, we go to our Wi-Fi, we'll see Mama Emergency Network. Now this can be any SSID we want. We've chosen to use that terminology, but that can be changed based on the specific event we'll be attending. So if we click that, and we'll be joining the network, we'll see a little check mark that we've joined, and a few seconds later, the captive portal will then appear on the device, just like that. So here we see the OWL Emergency Network, and in this case it has, because we were just in Puerto Rico, you can change it to Spanish if you'd like. It gives you a little background on the network, maybe your current location and your ability to SOS. So there's a simple SOS that just sends basic information. You can press that button and it'll send it. Or we can add more details before sending. So anyone on the network, you can put in things like your phone number, first and last name, what type of emergency are you dealing with? I'm trapped, violence, and I need first aid, food, water, other things like this. How many people? Do you have any pets? And a message. And then when we send that, this will get transmitted across the network. We just got a notification that the duck device saw that because we can see the ID. And that is now sending it across the network. So any other duck within range of this will hear it and retransmit it to other ducks, and ultimately through the Papa Duck and into the cloud software system that will be able to access and observe the communications on the laptop computer. And that's a brief introduction of how to access the Cluster Duck network from your phone, and we'll be able to modify and improve from there. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.